Hello. Today, I will going to tell you the top 5 common mistake of small YouTuber. Your channel will grow in no time if avoid doing these things. So, let's get started. Number 1, creating video that nobody cares about. I put this on the first list, to emphasize the importance of avoiding this mistake. When you started your channel from scratch, you should know that nobody knows about you even you post a video of how you earn $1 million in 1 week. Nobody will notice if you have low amount of subscribers. Don't start your content 10 facts about me, because no one cares about you, if you only have 100 subscribers. Unless you are very popular outside YouTube and everybody want to know about you, I hope you get what I'm trying to say. In line with that, you should create a video that most of the people will watch. To do that, search the kind of video that you wanted to create based on your niche, so your video gets recommended to more audience. Number 2, wrong YouTube intro. Most of the small YouTuber does not care about it, if you want viewer retention. The first 10 seconds of your video is the key. If you are a gamer, you should start your video with the most intense one versus for situation. If you making a content about beautiful beach vlog, start your video with beautiful shot of that beach and include a question that you found something. In that 10 seconds intro, you can make your viewer confused on what is that video all about and make them watch entire video. Number 3, starting without doing research. I know most of the people nowadays does YouTube to earn money, and starting a channel without having proper knowledge about YouTube is a big mistake. They just keep uploading any kind of content knowing how YouTube algorithm work and expecting to people to watch it, then fails. That's why I am here to help you through our YouTube journey. Also, most of the new YouTuber don't even read the community guidelines and policies that cause them copyright strike reused content. Those are the things that you might avoid if you do the research before starting on YouTube, if you have not read the community guidelines and policies. I will put the link below. Number 4, never focusing on one niche. This is the one of the most often reason why small YouTuber fail. When you started on YouTube, you need to focus on one niche. You may see people uploading top 10 basketball moves today, then uploading most scary video the next day, and then uploading most popular music the next week. That is very wrong. You may see big YouTubers out there, they are all focusing on one niche. It's either gaming, vlog, entertainment, reaction, or any other type of content that you make. Think of their success is because focus on one perfect niche for them just. Number 5, not updating video in a consistent schedule. You need to have a schedule for it. It is better to upload one video per week in a range of 10 weeks than uploading 10 video in one day and not uploading for the next 10 weeks. Schedule your upload, even if you are uploading once a week, twice a week, or daily. The more you upload good videos, the better the result is. That's all for today. If like this video, you better smash that subscriber button. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.